Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to improve battery drain on your Android phones. So for this guys, I'm going to show you one easy and very important settings to improve your battery drain. Okay, so you don't need to do any extra hard work, or you don't need to download any extra third-party application. Just use your inbuilt phone settings. Open your phone settings like this. In the settings guys, scroll down and find out battery and device care. So I am using Samsung phone, so in my phone the option is battery and device care. So if you are facing any difficulty to find out this problem, this feature, you need to search this option in the search box. Okay, and open the battery and device care option. In all phone you can get battery optimization option, so just open it and then tap on optimize now like this. So it will take some time to optimize your battery, and then go back and then tap on battery like this, and here you can get the option background usage limit. Just tap on it. Okay, and here if you are getting any app running in background, just you need to close that app. So in my case, in my phone there is no app showing here. Okay, and then you need to enable this option, put a news app to sleep. Just you need to enable this option. And one more thing you need to do, you need to tap on deep sleeping apps like this. Just tap on plus button and select that unused app like this, and then tap on add. That's it. So the app will go to in deep sleeping mode. Okay, that's it. Now it will 100% improve your battery drain issue on your Android phone. So this is the very easy and very simple method. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.